Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This is Shantae with Shantae Love and Body, and I am here for a quick video. If you are new to our channel, welcome. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, like the content, share if you want to, and thank you for joining us. Our channel is basically about family, our business, which we started about 3 years ago, small bit bath and body business. But today we're going to be talking about all things candles. So, and we're going to be talking about our five best fragrances of this season. Now, it just started. This is fall season, so candle season is one of the biggest things we sell during the fall, aside from our cream, which sells all year long. But since this is candle season, we just started our fall market last Saturday. And so I want to give you guys an update on what candles are selling for us. So just starting out, these are not going to be in any kind of order or anything like that. I'm going to tell you what's sold good for us, and that way you guys can check out these fragrances if you want to. See if you want to add it to your line. Hey, it's up to you guys. So, in no particular order, the first one I'm going to tell you about is a new addition to our scent collection this fall, and it's the Vanilla Chai Latte. Now, this fragrance for us comes from Midwest Fragrance Company. Vanilla chai latte. When I first initially smelled it out of the bottle, I was not that impressed with it. However, once I got it into a candle, it was really, really good. This was a recommendation actually from one of our customers on our TikTok shop. She really liked vanilla chai latte and suggested that we try, and we did. We opened up that market. All the vanilla chai candles left. So much so, I came back and we're putting it into our 8 ounce jars. When I first initially started selling, we were selling in our 15 ounce jars. But because it sold so well, we're going to bring in our 8 ounce jars for vanilla chai latte as well. Um, Next one, which is another vanilla. Hey, vanilla is a fall thing, is vanilla pumpkin s'mores. And vanilla pumpkin s'mores is also going to be coming from Midwest Fragrance Company. Um, and it smelled really good out of the bottle. I liked it a lot. I like a lot of gourmand scents, and so if you are somebody who loves pumpkin and vanilla, and you can't mess up with this one. The vanilla pumpkin s'mores, so completely out on first day. So I'm in the middle of remaking new of those candles now, and I'm also going to add it to our 8 ounce collection. Um, we actually have new jars coming. And so the new jars are really going to be for like the fall into holiday season. I really like. I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys, so stay tuned for that. The next fragrance, also from Midwest Fragrance Company. No, it's not. I'm just putting it in any order, so it's not that I'm like just fond of Midwest Fragrance Company, although I am. Um, I like their products, but this is an oldie but goodie, Sweater Weather. Now, of course, we named it something else in our line because we don't want to get any type of issues with the. I think it comes from Bath and Body Works. I'm not sure, but anyway, Sweater Weather, always a goodie. People love that scent. Totally sold out on the first day of fall. Our fall market back. So if you want to add that one to your line, that one is, I think it's the eucalyptus, the minty in that people really, really are attracted to. It's fresh and it feels like fall into winter. That's probably something you can have all year long, but definitely during your fall line, you want to add that one. The next one is from Candle Science. Now, I used to be a Candle Science girl for all things candle. I have recently in months been kind of going out and trying some other vendors, which I am really, really liking. And I'll tell you a little bit about those at the end. For cranberry apple marmalade, that is my absolutely favorite um, fall candle. It's almost like Christmas too. It's like a gourmand cranberry jam, if that makes sense. It's really, really good. And it has an incredible hot throw. We use a coconut beeswax, and it has a good cold throw, good hot throw. It's just one of my favorites. I'm sorry, I probably made up a noise because it touched the mic. Um, Last but not least, It's another Candle Science one, which is Frosted Juniper. That's more into winter, but it was a really good seller for market. People love it. If you like pine, juniper, cypress, things like that, that's going to be one of your good scents as well. Um, so those are our five that sold the best in our opening market. I did want to mention one that was not one of our top five, maybe top six, which was coffee. And this one comes from Hive and Honey Candle Company. My husband absolutely is crazy about coffee candles. I have to make those for him all the time. It To me, it is one of the best smelling coffee scents you can get from Hive and Honey, and I actually have containers coming from them as well. So we'll do an unboxing of those coming, which should be here in the next couple of days. And so those are our top five, and one honorable mention of our new fall candles that sold at market and opening. People really liked it, got a real good reception. If you want to add some of those to your candle line, you're more than welcome to do it. It's a free country. But those are our candles. So yeah, if you like this video, if you found it useful, go ahead and like the video. Thumbs up, please. We're trying to grow our channel here. Subscribe and stay tuned. We got a whole bunch of new videos coming up. We are really gonna put a lot of energy into our YouTube channel. We're trying to make it grow and get some things going. You probably have seen some shorts from me talking about fall candles. That's what we're on right now, our candles. And we will leave some comments if you guys want to see some. Let me know what you guys want to see from us. We'd be more than happy to make those videos for you. Like I said, we really want to grow our channel. Thank you for watching, and we appreciate you guys. And stay tuned for the next video.